Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw milestones from teamwork.com reports without losing branding. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Log into your teamwork.com account. Navigate to the project dashboard where you have your milestone set. Click on the Reports tab in the top navigation menu. Select the relevant report that includes the milestones you wish to withdraw. Review the report to ensure it reflects accurate and up-to-date information. Locate the Milestones section within the report. Highlight the milestones you want to withdraw. Copy the selected milestones to your clipboard. Open your desired document or application where you want to paste the milestones. Before pasting, ensure the new document maintains your brand style. This includes using the appropriate fonts, colors, and logos. Now, paste the copied milestones into the document. Adjust the formatting as needed to match your branding. Include any relevant context or notes that support the milestones. Ensure the document is visually appealing and easy to read. Double-check for any errors or formatting issues. Once satisfied, save the document in your preferred format. Select a file type that best suits your needs, such as PDF or Word. Distribute the document to your team or stakeholders as necessary. Consider providing a summary or key takeaways along with the document for clarity. Keep a copy of the original report for your records. Maintain consistency in how you present milestones in the future. Ensure that your branding guidelines are applied in all reports going forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.